it's Brandy with Loving Living Green. We're here today at the Auburn, Alabama Supercharger. Let's see what's around while we charge. The Auburn Supercharger has 6 charging stations. The Tesla Supercharger is located at the Auburn Mall. If you look over to the right while you're charging, there is an old times country buffet and barbecue that's pretty good. Sometimes on longer trips, we will stop here and sit down and rest while the car is charging. If you prefer fast food, if you go right around the corner from Belk, you will have a good bit of options. Selections include Applebee's and our personal favorites of Krispy Kreme and the Cookout. Inside the mall are dining options such as Chick-fil-A, Famous Walk, Great American Cookie, and Teriyaki Express. It's also a great place to stretch your legs after a long trip. There's also a Bar Burritos and a Starbucks. A short walk across the street and you'll find a McDonald's and a KFC. If you're interested in what's around other superchargers, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, and we'll see you on the road.